welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all of my subby for your support, and today I have an unboxing for you to share with you. This is a piece of jewelry. I picked it up from Tiffany when I go travel, when I go there. And this piece, my husband, he got it from me, and this is the bag from Tiffany and Co. And he gave me for the extra pouch if I don't need it, so I can keep it away. This is the receipt. And this is the box. It's very pretty box. I love Tiffany, and you know, I'm not a big fan of fashion jewelry, so that you don't see any fashion jewelry on my channel, because I think I can save the money and get the fine jewelry, and I can keep it for a long time, and I can pass it out for my daughter. I have my little girl here. Let's open it. And the box is in Tiffany blue, you know, Tiffany blue color, and white ribbon is so pretty. And when I visit my parents and we go shopping, and we pass and I saw the Tiffany store there, and so we come inside and take a look, because I saw this collection on the catalog that they have sent me, but I did never see in person, so I want to come inside the store and take a look. So I went in and take a look on this one, and this is how you open it. And this is the box, and this is the pouch. We come with this. This is like a different box than a lot of like Cartier or Louis Vuitton. They have a different style of box, but this is how the Tiffany in velvet, the black velvet. And you open it like this, and inside you see the Tiffany, and this is the bracelets. It's called T collection. And I got this one in rose gold, because I love rose gold, because most of my jewelry either in white and platinum, white gold, or you can remove this one, because they put it in here, and on the back you have something you can, like for the certificate or something, you can keep it in there, and so you can put it in. It's very soft and like velvet. I hope you can feel it. And this is how it look. I got with the one with no diamond. I want to wear on this side, on this hand, with this Cartier bracelets. I love this one because you don't have to open, like my Cartier. I have to use the, I have to ask my husband or my daughter to unscrew it if I want to take it off. And so I want to get this one. They have the one with diamond, and the one without diamond, and the one with the turquoise. I really love the one with turquoise, but the one with turquoise, they don't have, I believe they say they don't have the one with rose gold. They only have the rose gold is this one and diamond. But I want to get this one without diamond. So my husband got this one for me as a anniversary gift, and okay, I want to wear with this. this is in medium size. My wrist is very small, but I have the bone right here, so I tried. They have two. They call this one is the bigger collection, but the one is thinner is the one. They have two models. This one a bigger one model. The another one is thinner, a very small, and I picked this one, and this is in medium size. I tried the small one, but the small one fit perfect, but it won't turn. When it get into here, it's hurt. The same thing like my Cartier bracelets. This is size 17. Size 16, it fit me perfectly. They go like right here, and when they get into my bone right here, it won't move, and it hurt. So I go with 17, size 17, and same thing like this one. I take the size medium, and this one is easy to wear. I just like this, and just slide in like this, and like that, and just like that, and easy to put it on, and easy to take it out. And if I need to take it out, it's very, like you see when it turns, it's right here, right the bone. It won't hurt me. But if I get the small size, when I turn, the braces move and it hurts. So I stay with the size medium, so I can wear with to tag with my Cartier braces. This Cartier, not this one, because I don't want to wear on this side. I want to wear on this side to go with this one. So this one in rose gold, and so I can wear with this one. As you can see, I hope you can see it. The light. Yep. And inside, you can take it out, in and out like that, easy. See, like that. And inside of the bracelet, on one side, you can see they have the Tiffany engraved on one side, and another side is the symbol of the Tiffany. And they say, I want to have, my husband want to get the engraved, but they say it take, I think it's 2 to 3 weeks, and it's not complimented. It's $30 for one letter, and I will bring to the store where I live, so I can have engraved. Maybe this weekend I will bring it over there and let them have engraved on both sides for me of the day of our anniversary. And that's it. And oh, and also this is retail for $2,100 with tax. And this is from this inside. You see this receipt is the gift card, the gift receipt if you need it. And in the front they have really like Tiffany and Co, like really like emboss it. Yeah, that's it. That's how you think about this bracelet. You like it, and if you have it, can you let me know how you feel about this bracelet? I really love Tiffany because it's so simple, and it's really I have my Cartier already, so I want to have something different to tag with this one, so I picked this one because this one I already have a diamond, and my husband asked why I don't get the diamond one. I said too much. I like this one better. Yeah, I should get the diamond one, right? I'm just kidding. No, this is the one I like. I don't like the diamond. I think the diamond is I don't know, it's something that I like this one better. And how do you think it tag with these two bracelets? Is how do you think about it? Is it pretty? Is it pretty? I love it. I really love it when it go. This one go together. These two go together. And this is my ring from Roberto Con, and this is from Cartier full diamond, and all in rose gold. And this also from Tiffany, and this is how it's go with two bracelets together. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope all of you are doing well and enjoy your summer, and I hope I can see you in next video. Bye bye. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so YouTube can notify you when I have the new video posted. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for your support, for your time. I'm really grateful for all of your time, and thank you again, and bye bye.